Hi, I'm Evan Aidman. I'm a personal injury lawyer located in Narberth, 822 Montgomery Avenue, right across from the Acme Markets with plenty of free parking. I'm going to discuss arbitration appeals in this video. Most personal injury cases are filed in arbitration, which in the Philadelphia area and all the surrounding counties, including Montgomery and Delaware counties, up to $50,000 is an arbitration. Above 50,000, if you've got a serious injury case, you're going to go for a jury. But if you've got an arbitration, you go to court, you have a much simplified hearing, which usually takes an hour, 2 hours or so, and then you're done. You get an arbitration award that day or the next day or soon after, and then both sides have 30 days to decide whether they want to take an appeal. And there's a lot of strategy that goes into whether you take an appeal and how you communicate with the opposition about taking an appeal. Frequently, both sides will really not want to take an appeal. That, the award is sort of livable for both sides, but they're going to use the threat of an appeal as a negotiating tool. So, for example, a couple of weeks ago, I had an arbitration award that I was very, very happy with. And the temptation after the award, especially if the client is like, where's the money? I want the money, is to contact the other side and say, are you going to take an appeal? But if you do that, you sort of lose a psychological edge, because then they know you're thinking about the money and they're going to use that as a negotiating tool against you. So if I get a $30,000 arbitration award, they're going to say, well, how about 20,000? And then we won't take an appeal. So really the best play is not to do anything if you're happy with the award, and just sit and wait it out and see what the other side says. If the other side says, hey, how about 20,000 instead of 30,000, say no. See what they say. Oh, maybe we'll take 29, that kind of thing. So there's a certain advantage to not saying anything. That's just one of the strategies that goes into the post-arbitration period in the seemingly endless negotiations that go on before these cases finally get settled. It's really a marathon, and the longer that you can withstand the pressure of the marathon tends to be the better it is for you in terms of getting the number that you're entitled to in the highest possible settlement. Any questions, give me a call, please, at 610-642-7676.